Welcome dear students for the lesson grade 10 Health Science of St. Peter's College, Colombo 4, Nigamba branch. Dear students, this is the last topic of the fourth lesson. About four major games we discussed. That means netball, football and volleyball as outdoor activities we discussed. Again, today the last topic of this lesson is outdoor educational activities. Right, we'll see what are the outdoor educational activities you can recognize. There are many types of outdoor activities. From them, few are given here. The first one, camping. Second one, campfire games, cooking outdoor, jungle craft, hiking, jungle exploration, rowing, climbing mountains and cycling tours. Maybe you know there are different types of outdoor activities. From them, these few are given here for study purposes. Now we'll see the other. What are the benefits we can gain from outdoor educational activities? Right? Benefits we gain from outdoor educational activities. Instead of doing everything inside of a classroom, when we go outside, we can get so many experiences to our life. We'll see the first one, an opportunity to gain pleasure, and we can identify the environment, understand the environment, understand the challenges nature offer, exploration skills, self-confidence, leadership skills, collective understanding, develop the skills of decision making, getting used to substitutes, develop problem solving skills. Right, when we go outside and when we are going to do activities, it is not easy like we do something in indoor or in a classroom or inside a place. Right, when we go outside, especially we have to think of this, understand the challenges nature of us. That is very special. According to the problem or the incident occur, we have to work, act according to that. That is not pre-planning one. According to the situation, we have to act. Right? Self-confidence and exploration skills, leadership skills. These are benefits we gain when we do educational activities, outdoor educational activities. From this lesson, especially we are going to discuss of hiking and jungle exploration. Hiking and jungle exploration. Right, we'll see the purpose of having hiking. There are many purposes, many objectives to have hiking. The first one, hikes for raise awareness of an issue among the public. Right, if there's a health problem like that, that is the object to have hiking. Hikes for raise awareness of an issue among public. Hikes for raise funds, sometimes to collect money. Hikes for pleasure. Hikes for explore the forest. Hikes for political purposes as a mark of protest and as a mean of demonstration. For this will be the objective of having hikes. Then we'll see how we can get ready for jungle exploration. If you want to go to a forest, it is not easy task. There are many things we have to pre-plan. We'll see what are the things we have to do before do the outdoor activity. First, we have to do the planning part. During planning stage, what are the things we have to make ready? First one, expected date of the hike or the jungle exploration. What is the date? If there are places to ask about that, we have to discuss and we have to plan a date for the hike. The route they were going to take, where we are going to walk, or what is the jungle we are selecting to explore for the outdoor activity. And equipment they need to carry, there are equipments needed. When we go, the necessary things, water bottles, and if you want to eat something, if you are going to cook outdoor, the necessary things, and the towel, the medicines, like that, the needed things we have to take, we have to make them ready. And finances required for expenditure, right? We have to care of that, right? The amount we have to expend for these outdoor activities. Persons from whom they have to get permission. We have to get permission from the places, if that is a forest. According to our own, we cannot go to those places. We have to get permission. If we are arranging it from a school, first of all from the school, after that from parents, and after that from the place which we are going to plan to go. And the other one, places which require permission to visit, and persons who should be informed. To the places we have to inform, earlier we have to inform. Action that has to be taken in an emergency, right? There is an emergency, maybe sickness of children, or be accidents, there can be so many incidents like that. For them we have to get ready, preparing for possible accidents, right? When we are planning for any type of outdoor activities, first of all we have to make these things are ready. After that, when we go, especially if it is a jungle exploration, if this is daytime or night time, we should have, there are very special equipments are there, we should have. The first one is the compass, right? This is the compass. To go anywhere to find out the direction, we need the compass. When we get the compass, the way finding the direction from this, we have to keep this on a flat surface. We have to keep this compass on a flat surface. When keep on the flat surface, here there's a red color hand in this. From this red color hand showing the north direction. When we keep like this, when we keep the compass in flat surface to the direction red color, the hand there, we have to turn the compass to the north side. We have to turn into that red color point. From that we can find out the direction. In this, when we keep the compass on the surface, that the side the red color point is there, north side we have to turn. We have to turn the north side, and from that we can recognize the other direction. So that is very important when we going outside for the jungle exploration or any other type of outdoor activities, to find out direction where we are. And the other special equipment we need is the map, right? We need a map, as well as the symbols in the map we should know. Just a map is not enough. The symbols in the map we should recognize. Right? We'll see the main symbols are given here. Today the technology is more developed, but when we go to a forest, sometimes if you have the phone with you, the mobile phone, if it is not working, we don't know where we have to go, we don't know where we are. So at that time we should have the map with us to find out where we are. Right now we'll see the symbols. The special symbols are given. Okay, the first one, main rod, it's named as A grade. Another main rod is there, it is B grade. There are two types of rods, A and B grades. And the other one, main rod under construction, minor rods, footpath, tunnel, scrub, forest. Passenger ferry, causeway mean the wetland, the water area, bridge, footbridge, marshy lands, mangroves, tank, abundant tank, irrigational canal, catch pit and dam. These the symbols we should know if we are taking a map for our jungle exploration. Now we'll see another method of finding the direction. In science also we have discussed in this in grade 8. The way find from the constellation. These are constellation. How we find out the direction from these constellations. Right? There are few constellations given here. The first one, Lion, Scorpio, Boots, Little Dipper, Orion, Canis Major, Big Dipper, Southern Cross and Plates. Right, from this we can see under these, the Lion we can see these months May, June, Scorpio August, September, Boots May, June, Canis Major February, March, Orion May, June, Little Dipper May, June. Like these constellations every day we cannot see. These specific months are there to observe them. When we observe from this we can recognize the direction where we are at night time. Right? From this part we have to discuss up to that the way we plan for the jungle exploration, the things we should have for jungle exploration. From this topic, all the lessons of this lesson covered. We have discussed about football, netball and volleyball. The final topic was this, outdoor educational activities. At the end of this lesson, the children, you all have to do the exercise as well as the study pack we have sent you earlier. Those exercises also you have to complete it. Next week we will be meeting from another lesson. Thank you. May God bless you.